Hi, this is Thea, and today I'm going to show you how to create a full 3-step funnel using CrmOne. In this module, I'll be pointing out the page for claiming the offer, choosing the date and time for consultation via the online booking widget, and the thank you page. So now we need to go to marketing and choose funnels from the drop-down. So we will create a new funnel. So we need to click this build new funnel. And then we need to choose create from scratch in the choices. So we will take an example of a dentist who wants to create a teeth whitening offer on the client's next checkup. So we will put here the title of the funnel, and it will be claim free teeth whitening. Alright, then after that we can click create funnel. So now we can see that the new funnel has been created, and to work on this funnel we need to click this edit page button to customize the page. So here you will see an empty page, so we need to add details and customize some designs. If you notice that when you move your cursor across the page, you will see different colors of highlighted boxes, which also corresponds to different commands, which are the section, row, column, and component. Now to add a section, you need to look for the green plus button, just like this one. You can select from the pre-designed section available. So once you click one pre-designed section, you can just edit and customize it. So you can choose here from the given examples. So to add a row, you need to look for the dark blue plus icon. So let's look for that, and this is it. So you need to click on that, and in here you can choose from the available column, section layout, and also from other components that you can choose from. So it will be of your choice if you wanted to add a column. And now if you also wanted to add a component, you can move your cursor again and you'll find an orange plus button just like this one. So you can choose a component according to your need. Just like the text component, image, and the widgets, let's say. So in here we will add an image component. So we will click this plus sign again, and we need to go to media component, and then we need to choose the image. So now to add the image, we need to click the settings, this orange settings, for the component that we have added, and then we need to click the media manager to choose the image that you wanted to add. If your image is not available in here, you can choose from your own file by clicking add media and then upload from the local file. So let's say we will upload this one, and we can click upload. So now the image has been added. So we will click this image and then we can click add. So now you can customize the size of the image and a few things like background and alignment. You can also go here in the advanced for additional settings of the image. So now that your header is ready, we can now add the body of the page. We can add the text component. So we need to go to, or we need to click this red plus button, and we need to add the text, so that we can add the text component. So we need to click the settings, and then we need to put here the features of this clinic. Let's say state-of-the-art dental service and facility. So let's say we will add another feature, and then let's say world-class professionals. Alright, let's say we will add another one. Alright, we will put here the best dental care in Asia. Alright, so you can put any text you want in here, like other offers that you have on your clinic and such. Now to bring a form to this funnel, you can add one more component. So we can click this red plus button, and then we need to go to widget, and in here you will see link form. So we need to click that. So you also need to choose what form you wanted to use. So we need to click the settings, and you can select a form from the drop down. So there are forms that are available in here, the one that you have made, but you can actually make another form or customize another form for this specific clinic or dental clinic, and you can add it here. So let's say we will add this one. So it will show in here. You can add a few settings. Let's put it in the center, and then the width is fine, the height is fine. So that's it. Now the form has been added on your landing page. Now since this is a checkup, we can now add another step, which is the calendar. Take note that you can actually edit a few features. You can add designs in here on this page if you wanted. But for me, I will choose to be like this since this is going to be like a demo. So now we need to save the changes that we have made on this page. So we need to click this and it will be automatically saved. So now we need to add the calendar. Since this is going to be a checkup, we need to add a calendar so that your clients can schedule their checkup. So we need to go back and we need to add a new step. So we need to click add new step, and in here we need to put the name of the step. So this is the name for the step, which is the calendar. So we need to click create step. So now we need to choose what template you will be using on this step. You can actually choose from these templates. There is an available here for thank you and email. There's also available for sales and webinar. If you have made a template before, you can find them here in the custom. So let's say we will go to thank you templates and we will choose this one. So right now we can edit the page. So in here you can add the calendar, you can add a few details in here, and let's say we will be removing some of these information since we will customize the setup of this page. So now we need to add the calendar. So let's click this add new component, and then we need to go to widget and click calendar. So it says link your calendar from advanced settings, so we need to click the settings, and then we can select from the calendar on the drop down. So if you have created a calendar using CrmOne, you can use it here and you can choose from the drop down. But if you have an external calendar, you can put the link in here. So we will choose one calendar and it should be reflected on your page. So let's customize it. We will put on the center. The height and the width is totally fine, so that's okay. So now we can add a few details. So we will change this image over here to the photo that we have uploaded earlier, just like this one. So we will add, and it should be reflected. There it goes. We can also edit out this number. Let's say 1-800-927-8392. Alright. So you have your number, you have here the image of your clinic, and then we can put here, or we can change this. Let's say, please choose the date here. Alright, and there you go. So if you wanted to save the changes, you can click here, the save button. And now we will be going to the last part, which is going to be the thank you page. So we need to go back and we need to create another step. So we can click add new step. We will put here the name of the step, which is thank you, and then click create step. Alright, so the step has been created, so we need to edit this out. So for me, I will choose the same template again so that it has the same color. And then we will click edit page. And we will just put here a few details. So the thank you message is here. Your details have been sent. That's totally fine. Let's remove this. And this one. We will change here the image. So we'll go to Media Manager and choose this photo. Alright. On the advanced, you can edit some features in there. So let's edit out the number 1-800 927 8392. Alright. Okay, so everything is done. So we can click save. So now we can go back to the funnel steps. And in here, we need to go to the settings so that we can publish the page. So we need to click publish. And it should be published. And we need to view the funnel so that we can see if it's working or not. And there you have it. You can also copy the link and share it to the relevant clients. And that is how you create a 3-step funnel using CrmOne. I hope this video helps. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day ahead.